أفريقيا أفريقيا دلالك مذبك ولا دعيان كنا بروحنا الله دبلك دلالك يا نورك يا الواتك وما دقى غيرك وذا شرفك ولا دعي قروحنا يا هنانك زامبيا صوماليا كذا يدغن في يلبك وما دقى ديك وذا شرفك وانا بغي هبلانا أفريقيا دبلك دلالك يا نورك يا الواتك
African woman, rich skin tone my woman, you African proud woman, rise up African woman, the definition of a partner, one so hard she a hustler, cling to the head of the house, but she a backbone of the whole plan, everything is so nice, body shape so fine, wise enough to be a ruler, so is African land, so blessed. From the list, oh yeah, these women now, so fine, they're like a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh, African woman rocks, an African woman rocks, African woman rocks, an African woman rocks.
Scotchin, scotchin, scotchin. You are South African woman, true African proud woman. Let me hear one more time. For you myself. Africa, Africa, دلالك تمذبك ولا دعيان كنا بروحنا الله دبلك دلالك يا نورك يا الواتك وما دقى غيرك وذا شرفك ولا داعي قروحنا يا هنالك زامبيا صوماليا كذا يدغن في يلبك وما دقى ديك وذا شرفك وانا بغي هبلانا أفريقيا دبلك دلالك
Is Africa love, so blessed. I drink water straight from the lake. Oh yeah, these women now, so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh, African woman rocks, African woman rocks, African woman rocks, African woman rocks.
Alright, about now make I tell you about my type of girl. Alright, African girl, special type of girl. Listen, she Machikanda, Lumanda, the girl I wanna turn into an abanda. But me the bama yes I come a bakana. Kate lengiga siyabana. She's so fine, fine like the river Nile. Rich skin tone like a chocolate. Mama Africa, you immaculate. From Ghana to Lagos, Zaga to Nairobi, Tanzania to the belly of Africa. This is Africa.
So blessed, I drink water straight from the lake. Oh yeah, these women now, so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh, African woman rocks, an African woman rocks, African woman rocks, an African woman rocks.